9:03 विवेक और म्यूरल आपके साथ है एंड एज वी वर मेंशनिंग रीमा महाजन हमारे स्टूडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट SME Essentials, the MSME honors which is going to happen very soon and behind the scenes.
Absolutely. Now, as the founder of Indian Women in Dubai, Reema has built the largest expat women's group in the UAE with over 100,000 members. Indian Women Dubai serves as a social and business hub fostering women-led enterprises. Her dedication has earned her recognition as a Dubai lifestyle influencer with features in Gulf News, Khaleej Times and Filmfare magazine as well. Reema's collaboration with Meta and Facebook, where she was a leader in Facebook Top Community Accelerator Program 2022, further highlights her impact. Now, she has received numerous accolades, including Asia's 100 Women Power Leaders 2023, Women Empowerment Award at the Emerging India Business Enclave 2023, and Top 100 CEOs in Dubai by Arabian Business in 2024.
Good morning, Reema. Welcome to Talk 100.3.
Good morning and thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for coming to our studios. आपको हमने इतना देखा है सोशल मीडिया पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, छा गए हो आप, हर जगह हो आप.
Thank you. आपकी गनीमत है. We try our best.
But how important is it to keep yourself socially active, Reema?
I think it's really important, especially in today's digital age. Everybody is online. Everybody is out there. And if you don't tell the world what you're doing, nobody will tell your story. And that's what I believe in. And that's why you see us all over social media.
You know, it is very... मतलब, you know, I know कि everybody wants to be on social media, लेकिन everybody doesn't have that face or that, you know... oratory skills to do it, you know.
Absolutely.
तो उसकी ट्रेनिंग पहले लेनी पड़ती है.
It is all practice. You can trust me. I was a nerdy, geeky kid, so I have never been, you know, social media friendly. I have learnt it because it's a part of my job and it's a part of my mission. And if we don't tell the world what we do, then nobody will. And in this digital age, you can't ignore social media.
And also सब कहते हैं ना कि be yourself, you know. और ये possible नहीं है कि हम हमेशा be yourself हो सके, but how important is it to be yourself, or is it okay to just be a little fake as well?
You have to be authentic.
Really?
You have to be authentic.
थोड़ा बहुत fake नहीं चलेगा?
No, I think you can fake it till you make it, but you have to believe in it that what you are doing is true, what your mission is true, you know, and fake it till you make it. But you be yourself, because आप कितनी देर fake रह लोगे? If you're authentic, your story stays the same for a number of years. If you're fake, you'll fake it for a day. Then what happens?
Superb,
This is amazing.
Superb.
You know.
Sorry, हमने ना टॉपिक से थोड़ा deviate होके ना ये सारी, because ये मेरे मन में था. रीमा को जब भी मैं देखता था सोशल मीडिया पे, there are so many questions that I had in my mind.
So you jotted all of them down? The moment she comes in the show, I'll bombard her with them.
जैसे वो आई, सारे सवाल आ गए बाहर.
All right, Reema, coming to your association with Tally, you've got to talk to us a little bit about that, as to how have the two of you come together and what is the magic that the two of you are creating?
Well, we have been associated with Tally for a number of years now. This is the 4th year of MSME Awards and I'm so proud, so glad to be a part of the team. I was a jury in season 2 also, and I've seen the process and the backdrop of the process, how, importantly, how nicely the process is run. I'm really excited to be back this year also as jury, and I think it's all about taking the stories of MSMEs to the world. And done in a very fair way, done in a very nice way. These MSMEs need support, and if you can help tell the story, I think Tally does a brilliant job of doing that.
So Indian Women in Dubai, I'm sure it must have been an MSME, but now I'm sure it is a MNC now, nahin?
We are aapko laddu, but yeah, we are also growing every day. I think we are one of those enterprises, right? It's an entrepreneurship venture in itself to get all the women together. But yeah, I think you grow every day, so I'm very thankful for that. But a lot of entrepreneurs from my community have gotten awarded at Tally in the previous years, right? So last years, we've had winners from IWD going from for MSME award nominations and winning them.
Amazing. You know, when you're talking about MSME honors and you're talking about getting that recognition, it requires a lot of guts for you to put your story out there. So how do you advise the women, or how do you just generally advise the entrepreneurs to kind of sell themselves in a way that they could be recognized?
You have to be clear on your purpose. It's all about people, purpose and profits, right? You have to be clear on the impact you are making. And if you're very clear about your vision of the business, you have to tell it to the world. So I encourage everybody to apply. Don't think about winning or losing. वो बाद में आता है, right? That is a process you go through. But when you write down on paper all your achievements, what your business has done, it gives you great perspective in yourself. And then you will form your vision board of where you want to be. So I encourage everyone to apply for these awards.
And एक बार जीत लिया ये awards, and how does this help? MSME honors जो Tally करता है हर साल, and how does it help small businesses?
The beauty of these awards is it doesn't finish ek baar jeet liya and you come to the celebration. I know the Tally team works with them throughout the year. Some of the winners have been in the studio also, right? And they connect with all the industry leaders to provide them support, to give them guidance, to help them grow further. So, being a part of this is just the start of your journey, and there's so much more which comes with it.
And also impressing the jury also matters a lot.
Very important.
You are a part of the jury, or you were the part of jury?
I was a part of season 2 and I'm back this season again.
So, मस्का थोड़ा मारना पड़ेगा रीमा को?
नहीं, बिल्कुल मस्का नहीं मारना होता jury को. I have to, assure everyone who's going through the process, it's a very fair process to the extent when they bring the nominations to the jury member, and I've seen the process, they disguise the names. So even if I know the business originally, they don't tell us which business it is. They will give us the business description and what the submission is.
Okay.
But it is all disguised to be very fair to everybody. So personal connections नहीं चलता है यहाँ पे.
अरे यार, we thought we'll use that.
Networking offsite chalti, but I'm very proud of Tally to run a very fair process. Not everybody in the industry does that, and they do it in a very thorough, authentic way. We get sheets which we have to fill and a different set of criteria for all the categories that they have that we go through, and the jury spends a lot of hours reviewing every nomination.
So now tell me something, Reema. When you're going through those nominations, right, what are those points that you're bearing in mind, and what should people bear in mind when they're pitching their story?
When you're pitching your story, be clear, be concise. The length doesn't matter, the impact matters. Tell us why you should win it. Tell us what you've done to win it. And if you can tell your story in an impactful way, you've made through most of the process, right? And then obviously the Tally lays out what is important in the application, all the things you should consider. But trust me, all the guidelines are very clear when they go out there.
अगर आपके पास भी सवाल है, you can always give us a call or you can send us a WhatsApp 0586861003. Your question could be anything about MSME honors, like a small business hai, or about Reema, how she looks so good, even if it's a radio interview. 800-81003. 9:11 and we are discussing about SME Essentials. We're talking about MSME honors, behind the scenes, and Reema Mahajan हमारे साथ in the studios. Indian women in Dubai. What an amazing success story, I must say, Reema. अगर उसके बारे में थोड़ा समरी में कंसाइज जिस तरह आप बोल रहे थे उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी हम सबको देनी है तो Indian Women in Dubai, क्या है ये?
Indian Women in Dubai is an online platform which unites all the women in UAE. Our mission is social as well as business. We are that platform where you go to for help. If you have a question about settling in Dubai, about doing things in Dubai, where to go in Dubai, we answer all of that. But as a part of our mission, we also support the women entrepreneurs, and that's our business mission of helping women get back to work. Essentially.
This is amazing. So you've got to tell me, when did you embark on this journey, Reema? I mean, when did you stumble upon this idea and say, कि यार मुझे यही करना है, and this is how I connect the community together?
See, COVID changed a lot of lives, and it changed my life too. So I call IWD a COVID baby. We boomed during COVID, and that is because we did a lot of good work during COVID. I could feel the stress in the system, women going through emotional stress, financial stress, physical stress. So just out of passion, and I was working in a corporate at that point of time, I would do these free Zoom seminars for women to come together every day at 4 o'clock. So I got famous as the 4 o'clock Zoom lady, and anybody who would give me a free session, whether it was yoga, it was meditation, it was Zumba, I'll say do it for my girls. And purely by word of mouth, we grew from a handful of members to 30,000. Wow. Just women recommending women. Active members on the platform to 30,000 women recommending and liking what they did and telling their friends about it. So $0 spent on marketing, purely word of mouth. And when it turned to 30,000 is when I think my journey started, and I thought, we've created something beautiful. Let me follow it 24/7 now. So I quit my corporate job and started spending more time on it.
I'm inspired. I'm going to start Indian Men in Dubai.
That's a business idea potentially.
The only man in Dubai. That's what his tagline would
Wow.
be. Because no one else will join that. Now, hashtag start with one campaign. This is a unique campaign that Tally has been, has embarked this season as well. Could you talk a little about that?
I think it is Tally's journey to tell the story of the campaign, of all the potential MSMEs there, right? So you need to start from somewhere, start from that first one, and you don't know where your journey is going to take you.
Right, Reema, I'm sure itni sari entries, I hai as a jury member as well. If you could tell us a little bit about that as well, kuch aise entries that you think that, have the potential to win or to at least create a name for themselves.
So this process is so secretive, we don't see the entries till the day, right? This is all stored in the tally boxes right now. We have a day next week where the jury is meeting for a more detailed review. So it'll be like a 3-hour session where we sit back to back and we review all the categories and we go through each entry in more detail.
So how many entries do you get per category? Is that last time that you can remember?
From my experience last year, last year when I was the jury, I think Tally had more than 200, 300 entries across categories. So it was really, really big and very good pool to choose from. So, it was, we were going back and forth, ki ye acha hai ya ye acha hai, because the competition was so good.
So any of the stories that you remember that stuck onto you, that, are etched in your memories, ki I feel this woman deserved to win and that's why she
why
won.
women, yeah? This is Tally MSME Honors, come on.
The men are feeling bad.
No.
So Tally does have a Wonder Woman category.
They do have a Wonder Woman.
Tally does have a Wonder Woman category and I love that one. For me, it personally is the great one. Absolutely. And lots of stories of women starting their careers again and starting from scratch and building a career in sometimes a very man-oriented world. And so many of them basically there.
Right, and I know, Reema is absolutely fair with the way she judges. But anything that you'd like to advise people, because you're still in your cocoon and you may have an excellent concept out, but there's always this fear ki yaar, there's somebody else in the market who's maybe doing better than me. What if I put my idea out there? It's one of the run-of-the-mills.
Unka business khareed lo.
See, ideas to market में बहुत मिलते हैं. But क्या आप कर सकते हो? Can you action it is the question. Do you have that will, that perseverance, that power to go through the drill and build a business? And if you've done it, then this is the right time to apply for it and, take up that challenge and tell your story to the world. And when you join hands with Tally through this process, they take your story to the world. So what's better?
And any businesses that have blown your mind in terms of, any operations or
concepts,
the way people, work?
Lots of them. We've had beautiful businesses from healing to jewelry businesses to women selling no alcohol and, different concepts. Right. Every business in itself, and honestly, all the winners in themselves are a, different story to tell.
Okay, all right. You've got to talk to me, Reema, about the 5 categories that are there this season. You have the business maestro, you have tech transformer, e-preneur, new gen icon, Wonder Woman. Which out of them is your favorite category and why?
There are no points for guessing.
Wonder Woman?
I work with women all the time. I think Wonder Woman is one of the most beautiful categories out there just because, women need more and more chances to tell their story to the world, and having a category dedicated to women doesn't happen that often. बहुत सारे awards होते हैं industry में, but when the competition, number of entrepreneurs is less than 10-15% in the industry, right? So if that 10% gets a focused category, I think that's a great initiative by Tally.
But I think ये थोड़ा pressure भी आ जाता है बहुत लोगों को ना कि award function में there has to be a category for women as well. Your thoughts on that? On a serious note, I'm asking कि ये pressure भी होता है for all the award functions as well.
Yeah, pressure hota hai, but I think right now is the time where you can just push those women and provide that support. Maybe in a couple of years, when we are talking about a very true, very equal world, you probably don't need women categories. But for now, I think even if you see the applications, more men apply than women. So if you have a dedicated category to them, at least you're giving them a chance to come forward.
Amazing.
When you fill these applications, Reema, you've got to be articulately right when you write them, but not everybody has that kind of...
ChatGPT hai na?
No, it's not ChatGPT.
You can use technology help.
But you've got to also add your personal touch to it.
That,
they would tell you when it's ChatGPT and when...
Yeah.
The technology does it.
I think ChatGPT can help you refine it, पर story तो आपसे ही आएगा ना.
Exactly. So
Story
what
तो
happens?
आपका ही आएगा, right? ChatGPT cannot give you a business idea and implement it for you. It can refine your story. But I think when you tell about your story, think about people, purpose, and profits. And why I say that is you have to think about each of those. For me, the purpose is very important. What is the problem that you are trying to solve? What does your business do? The profits are important because, in today's sustainability of your business, as you need to be profitable over the ventures. It's, you're not running a CSR element here. You're running a business. You're an entrepreneur. And then the people element. For me, that is also very important. Who is driving this initiative? What are they driven by? What are their goals? What are their ethics? How do they hire people in their teams? And if you can tell your story about people, purpose, and profits, I think you have a beautiful story, and then go use ChatGPT to refine it. But you will have to
Amazing.
write it yourselves first.
You know how much you believe in that brand or the product that you're selling, how much you are invested in it. It really matters. Ryan Reynolds की story में देख रहा था, बहुत ही amazing है how much he believes in every brand that he's invested in.
Or he's representing as well.
जैसे अभी या साइलेंट के एम्बेसडर वो है या चीफ ऑफिसर जो है.
Correct.
एंड उनके जो बिजनेस स्टोरीज है ना, मैं पढ़ रहा था recently and I was amazed. Reema, did you come across that?
No, yeah, I've seen him as the chief island officer for years.
Yeah.
But I think every successful entrepreneur or every successful person has to believe in the brands they work with or they support or they promote or they sell themselves. Because आप believe नहीं करोगे ना तो वो story बहुत short-lived होता है.
Correct.
आप believe करोगे तो even if you're facing hardships, even if the business is not growing at a pace you want it to grow, you'll go through those hard times to see better times and see the sunlight. So you have to believe in what you do.
I believe on Talk 100.3 and आप भी हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं if you believe on something, on certain brands, and if you're passionate about certain things. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call या WhatsApp कर सकते हैं 0586861003.
It doesn't matter even if it's a personal question where your business is concerned or you feel stuck somewhere. I'm sure Reema will be in a position to at least guide you through that path. And let's make that quickly on 800-81003. We'll see you in just a bit from now. 9:23 on the clock. A very good morning to you. It is the Talk SME Essentials, and we are talking about the MSME Honors with Reema Mahajan, a founder of Indian Women in Dubai. Right now, we've got a question that has come in from one of our listeners. Tausif has sent a question.
So it's all about funding. Can we get funding support to a business? Also, can Reema support an expanding business, garment business as well? Now, that's a very personal question. But, funding is always a problem with businesses. You feel that?
Yeah, funding is a genuine problem, right? But I think I would firstly encourage, we can definitely support you in expanding your business. Let's start from there because we have the platform for where women come together. And I'm assuming if it's garment, if it's clothes, you need to sell to women. Whether it's for men or women, you can sell both on IWD. Come do that. Make your business bigger. When you go to investors with a story, which is, really good, I'm sure you'll find the funding. And then on a personal level, I can put you in touch with a few sort of angel funds and, venture capitals who are always looking for good stories to buy. So as long as you have a nice story and it's not a run-of-the-mill garment business, you have a nice brand vision and why you're doing what you're doing, I'm very happy to have a conversation.
With Shein and Temu. Temu.
Timu?
क्या?
Temu.
हाँ, imagine the competition level क्या
competition
होगा?
is very
Zero
intense.
dirham में दे रहे हैं यार वो तो on e-commerce.
मतलब और डरा उसको.
नहीं, I'm
उसने message
saying,
किया.
this is the reality of the
It is.
e-commerce space.
The space is very crowded, very competitive. But equally, I think there are certain brands who've carved their niche. So it depends आप कौन सी audience को target कर रहे हो, right? Shein targets very price sensitive audience. But then there is a premium audience that you can go after. Create premium garments. People who believe in the experience of wearing a garment, buying it, when they buy, making it good.
20 dirham का 200 dirham में बेचो.
नहीं 20 दिरहम का 20 दिरहम वालों को ही बेचो पर आप 200 का बेच रहे हो तो आप 200 वाले लोगों के पीछे जाओ. It depends which audience you are targeting. Is it the price sensitive guys you are going after or is it the premium audience you are going after? And how you sell, what you sell to them are two different things and two different customer segments.
So tell me something. Now, I'm sure you would be having, like, for example, we just got a garment ka request. There would be 5 to 6 odd ladies selling the same product. How do you differentiate that then?
More. More than that, sell that product. More than that, ladies sell garments. Especially अभी आप दिवाली देखोगे, right? The community is crowded by ladies selling Indian products, basically. But a part of it is marketing. Then how do they tell the story? Same garment है, पर आपने उसको sell कैसे किया है? आपने उसको Insta पे, जैसे आप बोलते हो ना, Insta पे कैसे डाला है? कितनी बार लोगों ने आपका product different influencers पे देखा है? You have to make all the marketing also a part of your selling strategy. Marketing people look as cost, but not, radio pe aana, people will say it's marketing, right? But marketing is a part of your brand strategy. And if you want to build a bigger business, you have to see it as a part of your investments.
Right.
Oh, this is what a nice input coming in from your end. Now let's quickly talk to you about. We did speak about categories, but if you could just identify those categories with a few industries, यहाँ पे जैसे कि you're talking about women icon. What industries in the market currently will fall under that? Some examples.
Everything that women do fall under that.
Okay.
When I've seen winners from the food business to the jewelry business, to healing, somebody who used to do healing, to somebody who was in the photography business, to somebody who's running a very new age digital marketing company. So everything that you do falls into that category. It really depends what problem are you trying to solve and how you're trying to solve.
And e-preneur icon mein, like Noon and
e-preneur is
Amazon.
all online.
Okay.
How you're running an online business. E-preneur is all about the digital sort of businesses out there.
And Indian women in Dubai कौन सी category में आएगा?
All categories.
हम तो सब में ही
सब
हैं.
में ही.
Recently, you also won an award. I was just checking that out as well. Emerging India Business Conclave as well. With Honorable Mr. Suresh Prabhu. How was that experience?
Really good, yaar. I think I'll tell you why awards are important. When an authentic entity comes and awards you in a true way and saying the work you're doing is creating impact, I think it's just a confidence booster and more affirmation that you're doing the right thing, and go do more of it. And that is why we've partnered with MSME Tally. I do my own Indian Women Awards also, because it's all about celebrating the person. It's about celebrating that yes, you worked immensely hard, yes, you've done well. Award is a trophy, right? What do you get? You walk on the stage, but that feeling of walk on the stage is not comparable to anything else in the world. That's what you get. And you get that confidence booster from the right people, authentic people, celebrities, but it helps you give that confidence that go conquer the world. The world is yours.
And once you win the award, is it possible कि आप अगले साल भी जीतो, or is it that एक बार जीत लिया तो बस हो गया?
Yeah, I think if you have a different story to tell, आपने क्या achieve किया है पिछले साल से, अभी क्या different story है, then you can obviously apply for that.
Getting awards, like she rightly said, is a different story, but doing something after that and keeping the pace and momentum is important. And is that something that you went personally through in your life, or where you had to step onto the gas and say, this is the path that I want to take? Reema, talk to me about that.
Yes, absolutely. So I said, right, we are 2020 story IWD. I think 2021 में मुझे first award मिला था, छोटा सा award था, but I think that award nurtured that feeling that somebody is seeing my work and somebody is accepting that कुछ तो impact किया है. And from 2021, IWD is a success story in the sense every year we won multiple awards. I was just in the Super 100 Indians by Gulf News and all that. But every time this publication comes out, it gives you the sense somebody authentic believes in your work. And I think we've only grown stronger in the last 3 years in terms of presence, in terms of impact, in terms of number of lives we've touched. And I think Tally's initiative to award is also just in that direction कि आप सही कर रहे हो और करो.
Absolutely, और ग्रोथ ऐसा हो कि सीधा दुबई फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में लिस्ट हो जाए. इंडियन
I
वुमेन इन
know.
दुबई. We'll speak more. अगर आपके पास सवाल है, you can always send us a WhatsApp 0586861003. News and Sport.
9:35 on the clock. A very good morning to you. Still in conversation with Reema Mahajan, founder of Indian Women in Dubai. And if you've just tuned in, this is Talk SME Essentials, and we are talking about the MSME honors right now. To add more value to our conversation, we do have last year's winner Rajni on hold with us. Good morning, Rajni, and welcome to the show.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग रजनी. आप बात कर सकते हैं इस वक्त हमारे ज्यूरी मेंबर, और कैसे आप उन्हें इम्प्रेस करना चाहोगे ताकि आप इस साल भी जीतो.
हम रीमा महाजन जहाँ है बस वो सबको जिताती है.
कैसे जीते आप पिछले साल, एंड प्लीज टेल अस योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट विनिंग एमएसएमई ऑनर्स ब्रॉट टू यू बाय टैली.
when this came to me, MSME जब आया था मेरे पास कि मतलब मुझे लगा कि यार this is a very good opportunity and this is an award. Means ना, it is like we don't pay and get the award. And this focus was for me from 25 years back when I started my business, that I wanted when I was in Ahmedabad कि नहीं मुझे एक right platform कभी लाइफ में आएगा and हमारा एबिलिटी को एक अवार्ड मिलेगा.
एब्सोल्युटली. एंड आपके ब्रांड के बारे में, आपके बिजनेस के बारे में और कैसे आपने स्केल अप किया उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बताइए.
See, in India, मेरा खुद का बुटीक था, and then I married and came to Dubai, and then I started my Style Desi brand 12 years back. So 12 years back when I started, I one-to-one, customers were coming. Then later on, the platforms like Reema Mahajan's, IWD, then other clubs. I was a member of other clubs also. सबके साथ मिलते जुलते सब मेरा business धीरे-धीरे scale up हुआ. Word of mouth. And then this Instagram, all these things have come, and people like my customers are 100% retention customers. तो इस तरीके से मेरा business word of mouth से बहुत काफी बढ़ गया था. And my brand is like Style Desi by women's clothing. It's all about women's clothing from basic to casual to party wear, and every corner from India we have clothing. Like Calcutta, Bombay, we have our own production in Ahmedabad.
This is amazing, Rajni. Your story is something to reckon with, and we thank you for taking time out and having a chat with us. We do have Reema right here. Reema, what would you like to say to Rajni so that she has this power and fueled up for the next round of awards as well?
So, Rajni, I know Rajni really well. She's a part of IWD, and she's also part of our Indian Women Network, the networking organization for entrepreneurs. And she's such a beautiful example of a success story through hard work and perseverance. She's been doing this business for more than 12 years now.
Wow.
It's all about networking. It's all about working hard and presence on social media like we discussed. She's on Instagram, she's on IWD Facebook group, everywhere she is. And and it's just an example of working hard to get there. And kudos to you, Rajni. I know your success story, more and more power to you. And I think the world needs to know your story, as I always say. And winning the award last year was, I'm sure, the cherry on the top.
It was a big surprise for me, honestly, winning the award. I was surprised when I was focusing on the lights. The lights would travel on me.
Yeah, exactly. And what did you feel when you were walking on the stage, right? That feeling
I'm telling you, it was like a trophy, a diamond trophy. This was like a diamond trophy. And my uncle in India, he's also a tally partner, and he came to know there, and people were congratulating him that your niece has got this award.
This is amazing. Thank you, Rajni, for talking to us and sharing such precious moments live on radio with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Reema. Thank you so much, Radio FM.
Thank you so much, Tally as well, MSME Honors. And I hope कि आगे जाके आप men clothing भी वहाँ पे आप पहुँचे. You may grow.
You just can't fathom, right?
You may grow.
Anything
मैं
to
grow
do
की
with
बात
only
करो.
women.
अच्छा, मंदार का मैं सवाल आया है, रीमा. My wife is a software developer looking for a freelance opportunity in the UAE. How can IWD help her in her endeavor?
Please ask her to join our Facebook, LinkedIn and WhatsApp platforms. Why I'm telling you? Because I post any good job offers or job recruitment ads that I come across. And not only me, I'm not the only person, the community posts. So, and people now, we work with so many companies, so many people that लोग हमें अपनी job recruitment वो directly भेज देते हैं.
Requirements.
Yeah, requirements. And right, so sometimes we are posting requirements which are not even there on Indeed or other platforms, because people tell us, I'm looking for this role. Can you post on IWD platform? Because I only want to hire women. So we are the right platform for them. So I would encourage you to follow our LinkedIn pages. Come join us on WhatsApp. Come join us on the Facebook group. And I'm sure if you post your CV or post your credentials on the Facebook platform, women will come and connect you to so many people in the industry.
Now, Mandar is specifically asking for freelance opportunity. क्या वो भी possible है?
Absolutely. Freelance opportunities are there in the industry. You just have to go. And obviously, Mandar, I would always encourage you to network. Come meet some of our social events and business events. You will meet people who are looking for requirement like those. They just don't know कि Mandar exists.
What if you have a great idea and you're not an extrovert and maybe an introvert?
I'm the biggest introvert I know.
Really?
Yes, you would not believe it now that you talk to me. I have worked my way through from being the biggest nerdy introvert. You know, I'm IIT IM. मैंने सिर्फ पढ़ाई किया है life में. But then I had to do.
What?
I'm
You are IIT IIM?
I'm IIT
Yeah.
Delhi graduate. I'm Bangalore batch. And
Reema,
I'm
what is this? What is this behavior?
I am.
ये
What is
आपके
this
प्रोफाइल में
behavior?
क्यों नहीं है?
है
This
मैंने
is
I read
mind
it,
blowing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So I've been a nerdy geek, right? And I've done the corporate life. But when I started my journey on Indian Women in Dubai, I had to become an introvert and learn public speaking and learn talking to people. So introverts can run successful businesses like mine, right? It's just about
Putting
working
yourself
hard,
there.
putting yourself out there, and again believing the fact that if I don't tell my story, nobody will.
We'll continue the
Interesting.
conversation. आपके पास भी कोई सवाल है तो do let us know. We've been getting couple of more questions कि क्या main points है as a beginner for digital marketing. We'll get to that question after Stock and Traffic.
9:44 on the clock. A very good morning to you. Talk SME Essentials, all courtesy Tally Solutions. We are talking about the MSME honors and in conversation with Reema Mahajan, founder Indian Women in Dubai. We're talking to her about all things MSME honors. What does this
But
mean?
उससे थोड़ा हम deviate भी हो रहे हैं because you know we've been getting so many questions. रीमा आप तो मतलब super hit हो गई.
Thank you to everybody. Thank you to all the listeners who sent in questions.
So असीला परेरा का हमें मैसेज आया है कि पूछ रहे हैं कि एज अ बिगिनर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के लिए क्या मेन पॉइंट्स हैं.
I'll tell you, use the 3 C's framework, and I'll tell you what those 3 C's are. Number 1 is content, Asila. So make sure you're on top of content. आप digital marketing करते हो. What are you selling? What is your product? What is your service? Why is it good? You have to be ready with all those pointers. Work with tools such as Canva and ChatGPT to help you, frame, help you create flyers, help you write the captions. Use the tools. Multiple tools are available. So one is content. Second is consistency. हम लोग बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं पर हम पोस्ट नहीं करते हैं. Right? So can you be consistent of showing up every day on whatever your channel is, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, or LinkedIn? Pick your platform of choice and go all in it. As simple as that. A rule is Instagram पे at least post 3 times a week. ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते, आप busy हो, आपका business है. Show up 3 times a week. At least people will know you're running a business. And the third C, so after content, the consistency, the third is collaborations. Reach out to partners or brands in the industry where you collaborated. See, this is a beautiful example of IWD and Tally collaborating. I'm here because we are collaborating. We are both spreading the word together. You will find complementary partners in the industry and brands or people you can work with. You do collaborations, show up on their feed, they will show up on your feed. And that's digital marketing in a nutshell.
क्या
That's
बात है यार,
amazing.
जबरदस्त. ये देखो नर्डी बात कर रहे हैं.
Okay, now Reema, I have to ask you about your personal experience with Tally Solutions. How has IWD worked with Tally Solutions at numerous events and on a personal level as well?
Absolutely. I love the Tally team. Priyesh, if you're seeing this, I totally love him. I've worked with him for a number of years now. We've had a journey of 3-4 years now, right? So I was jury in season 2. We came back together after that again for a Women's Day event last year. We did a beautiful event celebrating women in March on Women's Day, and I'm now back again this year as jury and collaboration, and we're also the support partners for MSME Tally these years. So women from my community are already applying for these awards, and I'm hoping some of them will win it too.
All right, on that note, we've got another message that is coming from one of our listeners. He says, "Hi, good morning. One of my friend's niece. Now she's a fresher in Dubai and looking for a job opportunity. Anywhere that she can apply. If you could just send her a link. She is in HR and admin professional with about 2.6 years of experience."
Yes, I think you have to network. You have to be on all platforms. So please look out for job offers, requirements on LinkedIn. Please look out for requirements on our Facebook pages. And I think you just have to apply everywhere that you can see it.
That's amazing. Now, 9:48 on the clock. It's time that we connect you to yet another figure who has managed to win herself an award, and she's none other than Azal Chatani. Good morning and welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you.
Well, Azal, we are talking with Reema Mahajan, one of the jury members for the MSME Awards that all courtesy Tally Solutions. Could you talk to us about, walk down memory lane and tell us what was it like to walk up onto the stage and hold that precious award in your hand?
Oh, it was fabulous to begin with. For the simple reason was I'm a small business owner. And the other reason is it's not a paid ad. It's not a paid award as most awards in Dubai. This is there were three reasons why this award was prestigious. Firstly, to begin with, it's not paid. Secondly, the amount of research work that they do before the selection process, before you win it, they're so thorough in their work. So that was amazing, and great coverage. And yes, these were. And holding an award like this does really give you a lot of gravitas in the industry, because it looks like a solid industry award for these reasons. So it really puts yourself. People tend to trust you as an entrepreneur like this.
Right. And
So
Azal,
yes, it
if
was
you could,
amazing.
that's great. And if you could just talk to us about your business a bit for all those who have yet to encounter yours.
So it's a bit of an innovative business in terms of, I think women do not know much about their jewelry and their diamonds and their stones, and I wanted to start something without the middlemen, where women could feel comfortable purchasing either natural diamonds, lab diamonds, moissanite diamonds, or any simulants that they want. So it's a lot of consultation, and we educate women before they buy things, rather than just feeling intimidated walking into a large showroom and picking up something that's available.
You know, Azal, we have Reema with us. Now, Reema is a jury member. And
I remember.
And she's in our studios.
Hi, Reema.
Hi, Azal. Congratulations on the award. And, as you say, the brand recognition that comes with winning the award is immense, right? And not
So
only
true.
you winning the award, I think the process after winning the award, Tally doesn't, finish it with the celebratory event. They support you through the year and in the coming years. That's the beauty of being a part of this process.
Absolutely. They make you feel like a family member. So that's so brilliant.
Yeah, I'm so glad you're part of the Tally family.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And
I really
any
feel welcome.
words of advice for budding entrepreneurs as well to win this year MSME Honors? What are the things you need to keep in mind if you want to win an award at Tally MSME Honors?
Okay, to keep in mind is firstly have an amazing product, deliver with sincerity, and apply for the award.
Yeah, I think it all starts there, right?
बिना
You've got to
लॉटरी
apply.
टिकट लिए आप नहीं जीत सकते लॉटरी.
No, I think people are very apprehensive when it comes to applying, because you're contemplating a lot of
Yes.
things in your mind. खिचड़ी बना देते दिमाग में, because without realizing the outcome of it, right?
ज़्यादा सोचो मत, I would say. There is no fees for these
So
awards,
true.
right? You're not even investing financially in this. The only
But
thing
this is
that
the- I think
they're
this
asking.
is the problem. I'm so glad you are on air saying this, because a lot of people we are so jaded, because whenever we get an inquiry saying, "Oh, would you be interested in an award?" we know the next thing is, "Oh my gosh, I've got to pay some 25,000 dirhams for this." So if people realize that this is a genuine award and they don't have to pay, they will be more interested in it. And when they see how much of traction this award can bring them later, I think that's going to be another thing. So I'm so glad you're on radio, encouraging entrepreneurs, small entrepreneurs like me to do this.
Thank you.
Thank you, Azal. Looking forward for your birthday in August. Any plans?
Oh, you remember, Vivek? Okay, done. That's a date.
He's expecting a diamond ring from your end, Azal.
Wow.
You have no idea.
बर्थडे उनका गिफ्ट मेरा.
अरे उनको बीवी के लिए लैब डायमंड अच्छा सारा चाहिए, बढ़िया वाला आज तो.
आप
आज ही बुकिंग करो उनका.
चलो ठीक है, आप बर्थडे केक फाउंडेशन का केक लेके आओ, मैं डायमंड लेके आती हूँ.
Done deal. Thank you.
Thank you,
Azal.
Azal.
See you soon.
See you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
सुनते रहिए Talk 100.3. Couple of more minutes. We'll continue.
9:54 on the clock. A very good morning to you. It is the last leg of our conversation with Reema Mahajan, founder Indian Women in Dubai, SME Essentials, that is Talk SME Essentials, all courtesy Tally Solutions. We are talking about the MSME honors, and before you could leave, Reema, could you summarize your past experience and what is it that you're looking forward to this time around?
Thank you so much for having me on the show. I would encourage everybody who's even having second thoughts about applying to these awards, please come forward, send your nominations. They're open till 10th of June. Please come and apply for these awards. These are awards which are meant to help you shine. And we are supporting your journey to make it big in the world. There's a very thorough, fair process in which the jury evaluates all of these. I'm glad to be a part of it. I've been a part of the whole process for the last 4 years. This year, I'm back as a jury. Very happy to partner with Tally. 10th June, don't forget the date.
Oh, that's
So yeah,
amazing.
tallysolutions.com पे आप log on कर सकते हैं. You'll get to know all the details and उनके Instagram page पे भी आप उन्हें follow कर सकते हैं. And Indian Women in Dubai, that's your Insta handle, Reema?
Yes, please come. If you're an Indian expat lady in UAE and if you're not a part of the network, please come join us. Whether you are on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, pick a platform of your choice, join your journey with us, because we support and love all women, and together we can make it big.
100%. This is something that I think all women require. We require help, but not just women. I mean, there are other categories as well, men as well, doing some exceptional work in the industry. Couples together who are pioneering leaders too. Some, a word of advice that is going out to every aspiring entrepreneur. Maybe the ones that have established themselves already, or the ones who aspire to be at a certain level. What is it that you've got to say?
My only piece of advice is follow your passion and stay true to it. And because if you follow your passion, you will make it big one day. And may your journey shine and rise.
Superb. Thank you so much. It was such a pleasure. Amazing energy, amazing vibe. Thank you so much, Reema, for coming to our studios.
Thank you to both of you. You guys are amazing and I love you both. Thank you so much.